You are the light I'd like to wake up to. There's not a sun that rises sweeter than you do. The moment my eyes caught the sight of you, I was surrounded by these feelings I never knew. Never knew it'd be nights alone in my car, just me, you, the stars and moon. Didn't think I would share so much of this heart, but now it's been built for two. No, I don't see myself with anyone else, nobody else but you. You are the light I like to wake up to. There's not a sun that rises sweeter than you do. The moment my eyes caught the sight of you, I was surrounded by these feelings I never knew.
Okay, so I'm at a 10. We just did some practice pushes. How long was that? Like 20? Wait.
That was like 30 minutes.
It was like 40 minutes. That was a long time. Good news is though, it went by fast.
Yeah.
So I think we're just waiting for the doctor. And then...
Are you nervous?
No, but I know when she comes out, I'll be like, wait.
I don't think you'll be nervous.
And I'll
She'll
cry.
just be like in love immediately.
And when I see Parker cry, then I'll cry.
Yeah. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling as ready as ever, to be honest.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm not nervous. I'm ready for this baby.
It'd be years of keeping the tears away from your soft green eyes.
I don't want her to
Didn't
touch
think
it.
it'd be walks to sunset and talks of love, cause it just felt right.
Good job, baby.
Now I don't see myself being anywhere else than kneeling to you
right there.
tonight.
8, 9, 10. So close. Aspyn, look down. When you open your eyes and look at her, you can see her. Can you see her? Look at it. Look at your baby. Look at your baby. Look at her. I'm just going to dry her off, okay?
How long would it take? How long would it take us to find eternity? There's nothing I want more than you eternally. So how long would it take to make this heart complete?
Very good.
Yeah?
I'm just having a baby. Yeah.
You are the light I like to wake up to. There's not a sun that rises sweeter than you do. Every day since our eyes met, I just couldn't wait. I couldn't wait to spend forever here with you.